Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to build Gantt chart in Excel. Gantt chart is a bar chart that illustrates a project schedule. It was designed and popularized by Henry Gantt around the year 1910-1915. Modern Gantt chart also show the dependency relationship between activities and the current schedule status. This is a very useful tool that used by all project managers in the world. Now, in order to start build Gantt chart, we need to get this type of data that describe project from start to the end. Now we have this tasks that we need to build Gantt chart for it based on the start time and duration. Here, we don't need the main tasks. We need only the subtasks or the tasks that actually going to be processed in the projects. Now we need to delete this one first, then delete the next step here because this is going to manage the project. It's not processed in our project, and we need to delete the last one that going to manage the last step. After that, we need to shade task name, then hit control, start time, then duration. After that, go to insert and go to hit any figure from this, but you need to go to more charts there to be able to enter to the charts, all the charts that you want. Then we need to go to bar. In bar, there is no understanding to our data. There is no fit for any figure. Then what we need to do, we need to cancel this process and we need to go to home. After that, go to general, this process, then hit this one and go to say general number. Now this date's going to be changed as general number. Then go to insert again, go to hit any figure and go to more charts here. After that, go to bars, then hit cluster stacked, anyone. Now we have understood our data and there is fit for our data. Then we need to select this figure and say okay. After that, we got this figure that fit for our data. For example, this is the brown one duration and this is the main task. Now we need to remove this figure or remove the blue one, the color by go to format data cells and go to colors and say no fill. Here we have no fill for this figure, but it's still using here. Okay. Now after that, we need to know this one how to change. First, the process starts from prepare the land. Here, the process has end. At the end process, prepare the land. The last one was release in the company website, release in the company website. But here in this figure has started here. What we need to do, we need to organize this based on this column. What we need to do, click this one, click right, and go to format axis, then go to categories in reversed order. Hit this one, then everything going to be ordered as this column. Prepare the land and everything okay now. Now we have another thing. For this figure, it must be here. Start from the start from the figure, not in the middle. What we're gonna do? We're gonna hit this one. For example, the start date start from 45175. What we need to do? We need to click this one, then click right, then go to format axis. In the format axis, you're gonna get the number of locations for your figure. What you need to do? Hit this one, delete this number, then substitute this number with this number, 45175, 45175. Now, when I hit enter, you need to see this figure, how to change. Enter. Now, everything going okay. Now, the last one here, for example, the last one we need to know here, from here, for example, this one, we need to go to format cells. Here, format cells. Then we need to know what is the date and the general number. Hit general, then this number is 45202. Then we need to hit this again. Go to last one and say 45202. Now everything going okay. Now we have this project start from start time and finish time now. What we need to add more, we don't need chart title. We need to remove it, increase the space. Then we need to return this date. What we need to do, we need to go to this table and say we need to return this date in order to figure out what the date start and what the date finish here. We need to go to insert, then go to we need to go to home, then go to general and say I need dates like this one. Hit this one. After that, everything going change here as what it changed here. Then now the control chart is ready. Now for this one, we need to clarify this with more deep and more bigger. For this numbers, we need to also more deep and more bigger, more clear. This duration and the start time, we know this is our only duration, because the start date and other thing you can hit here and can see start date and the finish date. Because we hide this, we just care about the duration that we need here. Now we don't need this one because we know this all this that duration. Now we need to cancel this Linus, this Linus. Okay, hit this Linus. Okay, this lines, and we need to delete them. After that, we can play with this figure. For example, we need to change this color. We need to hit this one. Okay, we need to hit this one and go format, sales chart, and go to this one and say, for example, I need to change this color to this one. Now everything okay. Now we need to change this one to the red. Format that is cells again. Go to painting and go to change it to a different color, red. Now the Gantt chart is ready. There is no dependency in this process, because this construction, for example, we need to spend long time waiting the raw materials, as what happened right now in construction. And also sometimes we need to check the quality. Sometimes we need to wait the customer to come to figure out if we build based on design or not based on the design. We meet the customer requirements or we don't meet the customer requirements. That's why this construction included a lot of confuse. For example, this process gonna be 112 is this one named for example, what is name? Yeah, for this one, check the requirements are completed. This is going to be by a third party, by the customer, by the engineers in the construction. For example, if I need to add more things about this Gantt chart, for example, completed day or completed date or something, then I need to go to this chart again. This chart again. For example, I am interested about start date. Then I'm gonna say start date again, and after that I need from the start date, for example, I'm going to say equal uh, this date. Now everything okay with the start date, but for duration, for duration, for example, I need I have no completed time, or sometimes I finish in actual duration, for example, actual duration. Sometimes for this process I said, for example, um, half day, this one, for example, 6 days, this one 23 3 100 23 uh, uh, for example, 7 as this 3 1 for example, 1 again, 2 44, in addition to what else, for example, this one, for example, have the 3 1 2 and 1. For example, this is the actual start date. For example, when we sign a proposal to start any project, we did not confirm the start date, and also we build estimation to end to start and finish a process. We did not get the actual time for this one, but when we go to the actual start and the actual finish, we have another other data has changed. What we need to do here, we need to add this this dates here inside this process. What we're gonna do, we need to click this one to show this colors, to show this column that is height. Then after that, we need to go to plus here, plus here. Then go to error bar. But also you can go from this one, for example, go to error or something here is found here from this process. But here we are interested just um, uh, for error bars. Now, after you hit error bars, just click this one. After that, go to more options. In the more options here, we don't need cap. Say no cap here. And for both minus plus, select the plus. Now everything okay. Last one, go to custom. Now specify the uh, specify or customization for this errors. Then we're gonna select this one. Then hit control. Okay. When you hit control now, when you hit control, specify again to include everything here. We need to include everything here to be in my design. Then say okay, and everything now it's okay. Looks like good. Now we need to design how long time we stayed in this, compare between proposal and project, compare between estimation and actual date. Then we need to go to this process again and change this color. For example, we need to change this color to the green one. After that, we need to increase this lines by adding more lines in this process. Now, everything now added in my work. Now I can estimate when this finish and if this finish or this not finish based on this process. Now we build this project with the start and finish time. For example, this construction, I need to see construction, what happened with the construction, what we have here in construction. Here construction, for this construction, and we have only 3 from 10, then I'm going to select 7. What's going to happen here with the 7? Okay, I have this process have come again. Now all this Gantt chart is okay with this process. Um, with the start and finish time, but this start and finish time based on the duration. based on duration, because any process, any tasks must be completed in the before due date in order to be submitted for the project manager for evaluation. After that, to approve this if this is okay or not okay. Thank you so much for your watching this video. If you have any question, just write down in comment. And also, I hope to with my next videos. And also, please like this video, share this video to support me and give me good opportunity to share more idea about the project management skills. Thank you so much and have great day.